Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on the Fiat S76, and I believe the nickname was the Beast of Turin or something like that. Alright, vintage civilian vehicle. Just start clipping away the sprues and stuff. So sprue by sprue we'll be cutting away. Not much to say about it, but just carefully cut away the sprues and you should be good. Check each piece and such. Step by step. Cutting the sprue off of the steering wheel. Part by part here. Some little pieces with this kit, but for the most part, it's pretty fine, pretty good. I think all the cutting away is done, I'm pretty sure. So put some glue down in these spots, and then put this piece together. Very good. Next, put some glue down in the edges because that's the only point of contact for this. All right, there it is. There's that piece. Up next, let's put some glue here and then carefully place this piece on the front. Like so. And then put some glue here, here, and then put this piece on like that. Put it from upside down can be helpful. The reason why I say upside down is you can see better where things go. Now, put a little glue on there. Get that steering wheel on there. First try. Alright, let's get these wheels on here. We'll put some glue like that and some glue like that. And just make sure you get that axle in the center of the wheel. Same for this one, it's a bit harder to see, but you get the idea. Yeah, and while we're at it, let's do the other side. Yep, so we're continuing on. Let's get that last wheel in there. Very good. While that's all drying and stuff, there's one last piece to think about. This is a crank for the front of the vehicle. So I'm pretty sure I will need some tweezers for that. Alright, managed to do it. There it is. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.